Good evening, guys. I am here with Marlee from Mars Bop, and we are going to unbox my Sephora Play Box. And you going to help?
Yeah.
Okay. Look how cute this is. Super cute with all these little Valentine sayings on it. You're my beauty guru. You look 100. I don't know about that. Like 100 years old. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Pharmacy Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm with Echinacea Green Envy. Ooh.
Ooh.
Doesn't smell like anything really, does it?
It smells like mint.
A little bit. Here's what the jar looks like.
Wait, you should show them what it looks like.
And
this is what it actually looks like.
so you just scoop a small amount in. It's like kind of like lip balm a little bit. Put a small amount in on your fingers, and then work it into your makeup to get it off at night. We'll give that one a try. Next is See You Later is Belief Moisturizing Eye Balm. I have like almost this entire collection of these balms from Belief, and I love them. There's I think it's called Water Essence, and it's like a super ultra moisturizing essence that you put on prior to your nighttime moisturizing routine. And then I have Deep Water Moisturizer. I don't know if that's the name of it, but it's like an ultra moisturizing cream. I think I got it in my Sephora Play Box a couple months ago, but I love this line. And this is for your eye, moisturizing eye balm. So you apply it after your moisturizer and you pat it in. This is the tip I'm going to give for anything that you put on your eyes. You either use your pinky or your ring finger, because these are the fingers that are like the least muscular ones, I guess, is the word for it. Tinier ones, yep. And you just dab the stuff under your eyes. That way you're not pulling any of your eye skin away, you're not dragging any of it down, and you keep that elasticity nice and firm.
You keep your makeup on.
Well, you put this on after you take off your makeup at night. Okay. Next. So this is from Fresh, and it is a sugar lip treatment. I'm kind of thinking it might be like a sugar scrub. Oh, it's very interesting.
It's not really like the other.
It looks like an eraser, kind of.
Yeah, it looks like those fake lipstick erasers.
Yeah, like an eraser. So it has a little tint to it. Let's see if we have. Let's get a little swatch on Marlee's hand here.
You can't really see
Not really
it.
a tint.
It's right.
But it's supposed to keep your lips nice and moisturized. So I will be keeping this in my car or in my purse for the remainder of this disgusting winter season, so my lips stay nice and moisturized. You want to try some?
No, feel it. It feels like.
It's nice and smooth.
It feels like
Does it smell at all?
No, it actually does. It smells like those.
Like lemony a little bit?
It smells like those like face masks that smell like lemons, sort of. Next.
So apparently this has sugar in it and rose, and the sugar acts as a natural humidifier to keep all that moisture locked in. I can't close it though. Well, oh, you screwed up. Okay. What is that? Oh,
It's sort of.
it's from Laura Mercier.
Wait, is it?
And
lipstick?
it's a caviar stick, eye color.
Do you want me to help you?
Why do they make these things so difficult? Here, I got it. Okay. So I have a couple of these, but I don't think from this brand. I think they're from NYX, maybe. So it's a champagne color, and I have used these for pretty much everything. Eye color, highlighter in a pinch, even some just a little bit of a lip color. So you're supposed to put this directly on your eyelids, and it comes in a nice small applicator, so you can just swipe it right on there.
And it's sort of like shiny.
Shiny.
Like
Let's try it.
Let
me see your. Should we do a little swatch? Ooh, that's pretty. Yeah, you can't really see, but actually, it's there.
It's like a goldish. So, how about this? It's what's
rose gold is the color.
It doesn't look like that.
It doesn't? What does it look like?
It looks like that. What is it? It's
gold.
No, it looks like the penny
like
color.
Copper?
Yeah, it sort of looks like copper because but even though it has a tint, it still looks like copper, even though it has a tint.
So I will be using that, and I'll be showing these all in still shots on the blog, so we'll get a better swatch picture. Okay, what's next? Okay. Next is our fragrance sample. If you read my post about January's box, I was a little bit bummed because I did not get a fragrance sample. And I was sad about it because I look forward to these. I get to switch up my fragrance. Not sure about that.
We got...
Now last...
Lipstick.
Lipstick.
Let me just get it out first. Because the last time my mom didn't get it out. So I had to do it. She was opening it. The wrong way.
Ugh, the wrong way. Okay, so this lipstick, you probably just pull it off. Yeah. This lipstick is by Sephora. Oh.
It sort of looks like a crayon.
Sort of looks like a crayon. It's lipstick, and it's in a rouge matte lipstick, and the color is Rebel Chic.
It doesn't...
I love these dark vampy colors.
It doesn't really have that much lipstick on it. So if you use it a lot, you might run out.
You should buy a full-size one. Can we do a little swatch on your hand? Okay.
It looks like a rose color.
Rebel Chic. It's kind of like a wine. It's going to stay on there forever.
No.
It's kind of like a wine, like a dark wine color.
My mom has something similar to it. But
Probably.
Not it.
So Sephora says this is moisturizing, which is always good for a matte, so it doesn't feel like... Yeah, it's a matte.
It's staining my hand.
Yeah, well that's good, so we know that it'll keep some color on your lips at least. And then a trick to keep the matte color on is once you apply it, put up a little bit of a tissue or a piece of toilet paper in between your lips and blot it. So that the color kind of locks onto your lips a little bit. Okay, so that's all we have for our February Sephora box. Marlee would like to show you a gift that she got. It might look a little strange right now because it's in the process of marinating in water. But do you want to...
It's a unicorn hatching out of a log, and it's not a lip balm. It's actually a toy. It hatches overnight, so you have to do it not night, because the next day it'll be hatched. My mom started this. Actually, me and my mom started this. Actually today when we just woke up.
So we will check on the process. We can post it on Snapchat, right?
Yeah.
4. SZIZZY 12184. Okay. So we will post the status update of this unicorn and see how it goes. Do you have anything?
We might have to do it tomorrow.
Yeah, once it.
We might do it tomorrow because it says it hatches over how many? 48?
28 to 48 hours.
28 to 48 hours. So you have to wait all day to the next day to wait for this to hatch. And mine hatched a little fast, but still not out. You can see it's still in the log. But it it does have a little crack. You can see from right there. There's a little crack.
Little crack. We'll check on it again tomorrow. So,
Yeah.
check the blog, colormesocrazy.com. Later, we'll have all of these goodies up for you guys to see. And a little bit more.
And we might put up where you can actually get these.
We can buy these all at Sephora. But we will, and I'll have a little bit more time to test all these, so I'll have some more insight on them.
This is Feel the Love, not Free the Love.
Oh, sorry, Feel the Love.
My mom
So,
that's
that's all for now. Good night. Have a nice night from Color Me So Crazy and
Bye-bye.
from Mars Bop. Bye.